Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison between these two brainstorming tools called Notion and xTiles. So here's the breakdown. Though both the tools are for capturing ideas and brainstorming, but they work a bit differently. So here's the breakdown. Notion is a flexible all-in-one workspace where you can take notes, create page, database, board, and calendar all in one place. It's simple layout and powerful organization tools which make it easy to collect and connect ideas. Notion's AI also help you write, summarize, and refine content, which makes brainstorming faster and clearer. Now, talking about xTiles, in the other hand, is a visual workspace built like a board of tiles. You can move, group, organize. However, you can also do more when it comes to working as a team. It's great for people who like mind map styles, thinking, and visual layout. So ideas feels easy to rearrange and explore. xTiles is simpler and more visual, but it doesn't have as many advanced database tools as Notion AI. So in my opinion, Notion is best for flexible, structured brainstorming with tools to grow into project, while the xTiles is best for quick visual idea captures. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.